Antlers are the fastest growing tissue in the animal kingdom. They can grow up to an inch a day during peak season. Antlers are shed and regrown every year, and each time they come back, they're bigger and more complex. Only male deer typically grow antlers, except for caribou, where both males and females can grow them. Grown antlers are made of solid bone, and some can weigh over 40 pounds. That's heavier than some small dogs. Antlers are used during mating season to attract females and to battle other males. When the antlers are growing, they are covered in a soft, velvety skin that helps supply blood and nutrients. This is called velvet.